Your Christmas power supply fails, you should find out what is the operational voltage of this one. And as you can see here for this one, hopefully you can see, there is 3.5 volts with 1.1 watt. So I implemented this MSP 430 launchpad, which acts as a driver for these LEDs. The LEDs are all the short strip of LEDs consumes about 28-30 milliamperes, but the MSP launchpad can produce 25-20 milliamperes per pin. So I should be fine with 2 pins, but you can use any Arduino or any other type of power supply and driver. Here I simply switch 2 pins from 0 to 05 with the dimming effect, which is which you can nicely hear over here. Hopefully you can see it over here. Yeah. So basically you should find out what is the voltage for your LED strip, Christmas lights. Then you can build up the using some kind of Arduino or something to build up a driver for these. And also probably you should the easiest way to repair these is just to replace the power supply. But if I wanted to buy the power supply at this very moment from China, for example, it will take 2 or 3 weeks to arrive to Europe. So basically, it's easier for me to just find something analog here. And for this one, it's interesting that this part is here is a MOSFET embedded into the controller itself, which drives the transformer. Here's the rectifier bridge, and here comes the microcontroller, which controls the output of the LEDs. Like basically you can switch to the blinking mode or dim mode or fade in, fade out mode, whatever the modes are implemented in this microcontroller. And both the power supply here and here the microcontroller can fail, so you have less options to repair it, because this probably has some kind of I haven't checked what kind of controller it is, but if it's a programmable microcontroller, there's no way you can get a software for this one. If it's a some ASIC type or different kind of microcontroller than the like Arduino type general purpose microcontroller, then it's maybe easier. But I will check the labels later for this one. Maybe there is a way how to fix this one also, but I doubt that I will. I'm super busy at this very moment, so yeah, that was really fast and cheap solution how to just make the LEDs glow a nice pattern. And after Christmas probably I will remove this launchpad and order a proper power supply from the China to just yeah. Okay, take care and fix your Christmas lights for god damn it. Yeah, got it. Okay, see ya.